Multi-layer engraves using JB's Photoshop actions. Open the file you'll be engraving. Here we're going to process the photo, and we want to make layer decisions. We just want 2 layers on this, so we'll just process it using the actions and let it run through, and we'll go ahead and resize it and save it as layer 1. Select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar and click Select and Mask button that appears on the Options toolbar. With the Quick Selection tool selected, click the Select Subject button that appears in the Options toolbar and refine the selection as needed using the Quick Selection tool and Brush Selection tool. Select the subjects you want to add to the front layer. In this case, we'll select the truck and the tree on the far right. If you don't see anything in the preview, make sure the view mode is set to marching ants. As you're working and refining, you can switch between marching ants and onion skin to get a better view of your selection. When you're finally done, click OK to accept the selection. With the selection made on your edited image, run the number 4 test burn action. This creates a new document at the same dimensions of your resized edited image containing your selection. Save this document as whatever file name layer 2. From the new document created, select the magic wand tool and make sure contiguous is not selected on the options toolbar. Click the transparent background and from the menu, select inverse. This inverts the background selection to select the objects. Make sure the Paths palette is open. This is often attached to the Layers palette. If not, you can activate the palette by going to Window, Paths. Select the hamburger menu on the top right of the palette and click Make Work Path. This will turn your selection into a real editable path. Once it's created, it should be automatically selected. Copy this path using either Edit Copy or Control-C or Command-C on a Mac. From Illustrator, we're going to open Layer 2. With that open, an artifact of PDFs is the clipping mask. We can go through here and delete the clipping mask. And then we're going to copy and paste the work path into this document from Illustrator. From here we'll align it, and it should be the exact same size. And then we'll assign a cut stroke to the work path. We'll save this document as an SVG file, and it has both our cut path and our engrave image. Layer 2 is ready to engrave. We'll open layer 1, which is our full engrave image, our base layer. Again, this one will probably have a clipping mask if it's a PDF. What we can do here is select the clipping mask, object, release, and that makes a path automatically. Assign it a stroke, give it a stroke color, and save that file as an SVG.